Instagram stories have introduced new functionality, layers, and these enable you to lock down your objects in your stories in the places where you want them. Start creating your story as normal. Bring in an image. I've now brought in a sticker. Oops, I touched the image, the sticker goes to the back. Now with the layer system, I press down on the background image and now I can say in the layer system where it should go. This works for hashtags and any other elements in your story. So now I've brought in a hashtag, placed it there at the bottom. Now I'm going to click on it and I can put it in the layer system to the beginning, the middle or the end. Now move my finger slowly to the padlock and now it's locked in position so I cannot move it now, so that's handy. I move my finger to the color change button with the same pressure and then find the location in the image where I want the color to be from, and now I've got a well-styled Instagram story. The layer system has made me 30% faster making my own stories. Layers, we've been waiting a long time for that in Instagram stories. Let me know what you think about it in the comments section below. See you next time.